I have a Toro 50 inches my ride zero-turn lawn mower. I recently replaced the battery and solenoid. The mower started right up and ran great. I went out to start mower about a week later, turned the key, nothing, not even a clicking sound. I charged the battery and attempted to start it again and nothing, no clicking. Tried to jump with cables, nothing.
Have you checked the battery, particularly the terminal connections? Are they corroded?
No, they're fine.
What's the make, model, and year of your car?
MX 5075.
Is there anything else the mechanic should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, that's it.
Did you find the fuse and check it? With nothing, there is no power to the key from the fused wire.
I checked the fuses, they are fine. After I replaced the battery with new one, the mower ran fine. Now not even a clicking sound when I turn the key. I charged the battery, still nothing. Are you there? Hello?
Do you hear the fuel solenoid click if you flip the key on and off? Will the engine spin if you follow the positive battery cable to the starter solenoid, and jump the two cable terminals? Hello.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.